His marking circle is just a mock-up of what's going to happen on Saturday.
Pipers wise, that was good. Just remember, listen to the people beside you. Keep that tempo packed up a wee bit and keep it clean. Roll! Quick! March!
I'm chairman of Hollymount Pipe Band and I'm also the leading drummer. Traditionally we had maybe 4 or 5 drummers. At present we would have up to 13 between main drummers and learners. This is the first time we have competed in maybe 18 years. In recent years the numbers had gone down and it was very hard to do it, but with the influx of younger players we thought it was a good opportunity to sort of give them a bit more to aim for in going out contesting, because you're getting judged every week and you know what you should or shouldn't be doing. I have a lot of younger members in the band now and a lot of learners, and it will be a big step, you know, getting back to the contest again, but I think it's again it's a natural progression that we have to do for the band to develop.
I'm Ronnie Steele. I'm president of the Hollymount Pipe Band and also still playing the pipes yet. After I'm into my 74th year. I joined in 1948. I'm definitely the oldest member. So a lot of members coming and going over the years. A lot of members no longer with us anymore. It gives me proud now to see so many young ones. I mean, it's the only chance we have of keeping the band on the road by younger members coming in. The contesting, well, it gives the band something to practice for. So definitely, and it's a bit of an experience now with the young ones. So many young ones in the band, the pipe and corps of, I think, about 13 pipers on the road.
So far the preparation, we've been practicing sort of 2 nights a week, most weeks. Preparation's going fairly well. Most people's putting good practice in, and well, I'm not saying we're not going out to lose, but we're going out to do our best, and hopefully we might get into the prizes in the first few contests.
When I was pipe major band, I always told the boys to go out and do your best. If you get a prize, it's a bit of a bonus. If you didn't, well, there's always another day.
The first contest we appeared at was Bangor. It maybe just wasn't as successful as we would have liked. We ended up 6th at it.
We took all the members out, all the young members the first time. There was only 3 original members at contest. The rest was all new, but we got them out. It didn't do too bad, considering.
The second contest we went to was Cookstown. We did a bit of fine tuning and we ended up third at it.
We were in Cookstown and we came first place for the tenor and bass section, and I just felt so excited, so I did.
Antrim was a fairly good competition too. We finished fourth, so we've been in the prizes, which in my time the band never was as good as that. It always took maybe the end of the season before you got into the swing of things, but this time we seemed to get away very well to start. So it was encouraging and very encouraging for the young ones.
We've been really proud and impressed with the younger children in the band. They've stepped up to the mark and done everything that we've asked of them.
Doing the contests have been very fun, nerve-wracking and just exciting overall.
Very proud of the band, especially the young ones. I mean, I never thought they would have got into the prize list anyway so early.
Really happy with the results, and it was just, we kept getting better and better.